Hello, Visionaries and Event Crafters. I'm Thamizharasu, your business coach, here to unravel the art of turning events into monumental successes. Whether it's a workshop, a conference, or a local community gathering, the magic lies in mastering the promotion. So, let's dive into the world of event promotion and transform the way you connect with your audience. Introduction to event promotion, understanding the basics. When we talk about event promotion, we're looking at a strategic approach to making your event not just known, but irresistible. This is about painting your event not as merely an option, but as the event to be at. The basics? It's all about the right message, at the right time, to the right people. 2. Setting clear goals for your event, the foundation of effective promotion. Before you send out a single tweet or print a flyer, be crystal clear on your goals. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive sales, or perhaps raise funds for a cause? Your goals will shape your promotion strategy and help you track your success. 3. Identifying your target audience, tailoring your promotional strategy. Who are your guests? Understanding your audience is pivotal. Dive into demographics, interests, and behaviors. This is about creating a connection, and for that, your promotion must speak their language and resonate with their interests. IV. Crafting a compelling event narrative, storytelling in marketing. First things first, your event story should resonate with your audience's emotions. Think about what makes your event special. Is it a charity fundraiser with a heartwarming cause? A conference with groundbreaking ideas? Capture the essence, and let that drive your narrative. Identify the heart of your event. What's the core message or experience you are offering? This is your anchor point. Create characters your audience can relate to. If it's a business event, maybe it's the ambitious entrepreneur. For a music festival, the avid music lover. Build a plot around your event. Lead your audience through the journey of your event. What can they expect? How will they feel? What will they take away from the experience? Climax and resolution. Every good story has a moment of peak excitement. Highlight the main attraction of your event and how it will satisfy the audience's needs or desires. Remember to keep it authentic. Overstating or misrepresenting your event can lure. Leveraging social media platforms for maximum reach. Social platforms are your megaphones. Use them to amplify your event. But remember, it's not just about volume, it's about value. Provide engaging content, create event pages, use hashtags, and engage with your community to create a buzz that's loud and clear. The power of email marketing in event promotion. Email marketing is far from obsolete. It's personal and direct. Craft emails that inspire action. With segmentation and personalization, you can ensure your messages are landing in the right inboxes, with the right tone, at the right time. 7. Networking and partnerships, collaborative promotion techniques. Promotion can be a team sport. Collaborate with influencers, sponsors, and other organizations. These partnerships can expand your reach and lend credibility to your event. Together, you can create a web of promotion that casts a wider net. Let's chat about partnerships. Teaming up with other organizations or businesses can give you access to new audiences. Look for partners who share your vision and have a complementary audience. Then, brainstorm ways you can help each other out. Could be as simple as swapping social media shoutouts or as complex as county hosting a session. Remember, the key is to create win-win situations. When both parties benefit, that's when the magic happens. So get out there, start those conversations, and build alliances that will help elevate your event to new heights. 8. Utilizing paid advertising, when and how to invest. While organic reach is great, sometimes you need an extra push. Paid ads on social media, search engines, or traditional media can target your audience with precision. Know when to invest and how to craft your ads to convert interest into attendance. Firstly, timing is key. You want to start your paid ads at a sweet spot, not too early that folks forget, but not too late that they've already made plans. Usually, a few weeks before the event is a good rule of thumb. Choosing the right platforms. Where does your audience hang out? Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Snapchat. Choose the platform that best matches your target audience's habits. And remember, you don't have to be everywhere, just where it counts. Now, the fun part, creating those eye-catching ads. Make sure they're clear, concise, and compelling. Use high-quality images or videos, and be sure your call to action, CTA, is strong. You want people to click through and take action, after all. Finally, don't forget to track your results. Most platforms offer some pretty nifty analytics tools. Use them to see how your ads are performing and tweak your strategy for even better results next time. IX. Creative offline promotion tactics for local events. Sure, online promotion is key, but let's not forget good old-fashioned offline tactics to drum up that local excitement. After all, there's something about the tangible, personal touch of offline promotion that can really draw a crowd. First up, let's talk flyers. You might be thinking, flyers? How very 1990s of you. But trust me, with a bit of creativity, they're still a powerful tool. Don't just print out a basic flyer, make it pop. Use eye-catching designs, bold colors, and maybe even include a tear-off section with a discount code for early birds. Next, consider partnering up with local businesses. It's a win-win situation. They get to show they're connected with local happenings, and you get to tap into their customer base. Perhaps a local restaurant could offer a special menu item named after your event, or a bookstore could host a mini event related to your main one. Just make sure the businesses align with your event theme and values. Local newspapers, radio stations, and even TV spots can be incredibly effective for event promotion. Write up a press release that tells a compelling story about your event and send it their way. You might even get a feature article or interview out of it. If you're feeling adventurous, guerrilla marketing can be a blast. This is about unexpected, unconventional promotions that create buzz. Think about flash mobs, public installations, or pop-up events in busy areas. Just make sure you're not breaking any local bylaws, of course. Guerrilla marketing can create a sense of mystery and excitement around your event, making it the talk of the town. X. Measuring success, analyzing your event promotion efforts. Finally, the measure of true success is in the numbers and feedback. Analyze your data, from ticket sales to engagement rates. Learn what worked and what didn't. This will not only prove your success but will guide your strategy for future events. Crafting the perfect event promotion strategy is an exciting journey, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. If you found these insights helpful, remember to subscribe, and let's continue to achieve new heights together in this eventful world. Here's to making your next event a roaring success.